welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through the fan, so the heater matrix, the whatever you guys want to call it. So the fan inside the car does not work. When I say it doesn't work, I mean you'll see the green controls, if that makes sense. You'll see the green controls, they're like popping up, but there's no blower. Okay, I would highly recommend checking the fuse before you do anything. Now, this is where you'll be looking at here, the air conditioning 8, 11, 31, 44, 128 and 156. Now, that's what we would say check. If they're all good, now this is where they'll be. So there's only two in this rear boot here, which is that one number 10 and this one number 5 here. They're the two in the boot, but the remaining will be here in the glove box compartment, which is a tricky one. You'll have to get into it. There is the diagram, and it's just in there. You'll have to undo this bottom bit to get into it to get a better understanding, really. Now, the other thing is, if they're all fine and you're like, well, they're all working good, there's no issue. The other alternative, the last option would be, which is probably the most common issue, is the blower itself. Now, the blower itself is to be found, God, you need some good muscles, here, underneath here. You'll have to remove all this. It is a tricky one, there is no question. Let me see, is it this side? I can't remember which side it is. It's this one here, sorry. It is this here, my bad. It's on the passenger side. You'll have to remove these screws there. It'll probably take you a good hour, half an hour, depending on how handy you are. Remove it, change the blower. You can buy OEM stuff on eBay. Depends, I don't know what the price will be, but buy one, change it, boom, should be working, no issue. But really, that's what you look for, and then if not, change the blower.